Here is CapCut full course for beginners or everything you need. Well, to master CapCut as a beginner, you should focus on 4 core areas of the preferred interface. The media panel for importing, the timeline for arranging, the preview player for viewing, and the details or inspector panel for fine-tuning. So first is the project setup. Proceed to open up CapCut. Now, you can tap on new video option there and proceed to select your videos or photos that you like or edit. Tap on next there, tap on add, and you have your timeline. Now this is the timeline. You can do various options here. Now if you want specific edits within video, tap on that video on the timeline, and then you can see split option to split the video, volume option to increase or decrease, animations options, effects options, AI video options, speed option, beats, crop, and minus other option for adjusting and filters and retouch as well. Now you can see the ones with the diamond icon, those are the paid ones. You can use paid ones if you have the CapCut Pro, but I do not have it, so I'll not be able to show you guys. I can still use it, right? So you can see stability feature as well. You can stabilize the video more, so that way your video will be stabilized more. It won't move. If your camera has moved much, it won't move much. Now I'm just showing you basics. Similarly, you can see the effects tab where you can see body effects, video effects, many other things that you'll have to check it out yourself. I can't give it in the video for all. But the second thing is text, adding text. You can tap on add text, then add text. Then here you can choose font, styles, effects, animations, how long the duration you want for text. For each text, you can add multiple text. So that's up to you, right? Similarly, you can see audio option where you can choose from sound effects. Similarly, you can also choose music from sounds features, or you can extract from existing videos from your device, the only audio that you would like to extract and use it. And you can see record option, and text to audio again is the paid feature. So it's that simple and that easy. Once you import it, you can trim it, you can edit it, you can also change the aspect ratio, the layout, actual video format. By tapping on aspect ratio, you can change it, right? Now by default is on 9:16, so I'm leaving it be. Then you can tap on export option and it'll get exported. If you do have the Pro feature, you can export in 1080 and 4K, but if you do not have it, then you'll be able to export in 1080 as well, but you'll have to watch ads. By default, it'll be on 720p if you are a free user, and this AI USD feature is paid one as well. So if you have the CapCut Pro, you can use this as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.